Hello everyone. Today I'm really looking forward to telling you all about the Cambridge Synonym Challenge. But first, let me begin with a story. This is George. George had basic vocabulary, the normal stuff. And George found it really difficult to say exactly what he wanted to say. Oh, big, that's a big house. Good. That's a good painting. Difficult. This is really difficult. It's really difficult. George was frustrated. He wanted to express himself better, but he couldn't. Until one day, George discovered the Cambridge English Thesaurus. And from that day on, George could express himself much better. That is a huge house. That is an awesome painting. This is complicated. And George and his vocabulary lived happily ever after. So, I think we all know that using a thesaurus can help expand a person's vocabulary. However, did you know they can also help you in lots of other ways too? First, increased accuracy. Good thesauruses, like the Cambridge English Thesaurus, give you information about context, so that you can select the right words for both informal contexts and formal contexts. Improved exam performance. In many international exams, quite often the key to an answer can be knowledge of a synonym or collocation, while vocabulary range is also a key marking criteria in both speaking and writing exams. Learner autonomy. The most successful language learners are those that know how to teach themselves. Using a thesaurus means that you can research new vocabulary independently and decide for yourself which words you want to learn. And finally, confidence. Having a wider vocabulary means that you are more able to express yourself in different ways and in different situations, allowing you to have more confidence with your English. So, you'll find these features in most good thesauruses. However, if you want something extra special, you should check out the Cambridge English Thesaurus. It's designed especially for English language learners and is particularly useful if you're studying for the Cambridge exams or IELTS. Not only can you use it for looking up synonyms and antonyms, but you can go more in depth by reading one of hundreds of articles that explain the differences between words and phrases in much more detail. And to help you with context, you'll get thousands of real-world examples of how they are used in both British and American English, and in both formal and informal language. And what better way to start using the Cambridge English Thesaurus than by doing the Cambridge Synonym Challenge with your friends. Antoine, Lizzie, Lucas, are you ready?
Yes, I am. I think so.
I am.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready, steady, and go, please.
Slender.
Narrow, would that work?
Slight.
Slim.
Elongated work, or
Tiny. Slender. Narrow.
tapered?
What
else can I think of?
How long do I have left? Narrow. Oh.
When the 30 seconds are up, use the Cambridge English Thesaurus to check your answers. So there we go, the Cambridge Synonym Challenge. The question is though, can you beat my friends? Can your friends beat my friends? Challenge a friend and then post your results in the comments below. And also, share your videos with us on Instagram using the hashtag Cambridge Synonym Challenge. And don't forget to tag Cambridge Dictionary using @CambridgeWords. So enjoy the challenge. And remember, if you're serious about improving your vocabulary, how you use that vocabulary, your exam performance, and many other things, using the Cambridge English Thesaurus will help you no end. And before you know it, you'll be expressing yourself as well as George here. Enjoy improving your English.